How to clear cache on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear cache on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, for individual applications simply, you have to open settings on your device. On the settings section, you scroll down and select apps. Tap app management and suppose if you want to clean or clear the cache of Chrome browser, you need to simply open the app info of Chrome and then tap storage uses. Now tap clear cache. Similarly, you can do it for other application as well. If you want to clear the cache of mobile device, scroll down, tap about device. Now select the storage. Select the clean up button at bottom of the screen and then wait patiently and tap the clean button at top right corner of the screen. So that is how we clear cache on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.